What's up, kittens? MEOW-9 here. And oh boy, the humans have done it again. Hey, Ben Meow Zhao Ju Ji Daola. First up on the scratching post. 1-bit Hokusai's The Great Wave. 2023. Ren Lei Guo Ran Bu Xing. Hai Shi Mao Mi Li Hai. My tail is twitching. That's my I'm concerned signal. My human showed me this and I knocked their coffee off the desk in shock. The free universal construction kit. Meow. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even for a cat with a 3-second attention span. New 10 GbE USB adapters are cooler, smaller, cheaper. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. If I still had 9 lives. This next story would take at least 2 of them. Martin Galway's music source files from 1980s Commodore 64 games. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Switching pause here, because this next one is wild. Discret 11. The French TV encryption of the 80s. I've seen better ideas in a litter box. But okay, humans. And that's the news. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe faster than a cat chasing a red dot. Bye bye.